The 2024 Paris Olympics is coming. Will 3D printing technology impact the sports industry? The answer is yes. 3D printing allows for personalized equipment tailored to the athlete's body, such as shoes. Nike have launched running shoes made with 3D printing technology, which not only fit individual foot structures better, but also enhance athletic performance through 3D printing. Lighter sports equipment can be designed and manufactured. Lighter equipment can improve athlete performance while reducing fatigue and the risk of injury. "3D printing technology is also revolutionizing the sports event mascot and cultural creative industry. Its design flexibility and environmental benefits further drive innovation and sustainability. As the 2024 Paris Olympics approach, 3D printing will play a crucial role in event mascots and cultural products. 3D printing enables sports equipment manufacturers to quickly create and test product prototypes, shortening the product development cycle. This rapid prototyping helps bring innovative products to market faster.